from scale. Split the universe and you'll find galaxies. Split the galaxies and you'll find the Milky Way. Split the Milky Way and you'll find the solar system, our solar system. Look closely and you'll find the Earth, this Earth. Look closer and there's water and land and shore. Tear the beach open and you'll find tiny grains of sand. Dig through the soil and you'll find roots intertwining with each other across ecosystems. Take apart these ecosystems and there's a web of flora and fauna, predator and prey, delicate partnerships, organisms living in fragile balance. Cut the stems open and there's the water. Examine the innards. You'll see the sunlight becoming sugar. Maybe the stem will be picked by a girl picking flowers. Split the girl open and you'll find lung and heart, muscle and nerve, a brain wired to see color. Those lilies were white, weren't they? And learn names. Snowdrop, rue anemone, Queen Anne's lace, and lily of the valley, her favorite, and send the signal back and forth along the neurons of her mind so that she can pick from this field of thousands her fingers light, skin cells falling. Split one of us open and there's grief and love and sadness and hope, all the pain and joy sentience ever gave us. Split it open, rearrange the gears, split rocks to get ore, split fruits apart to take seeds, plant them down to harvest more and more, split space into quadrants, animals into parts, peer into the dark sea, see things we weren't supposed to see, the blue whale cruising. Split it. See the blood spilling over the shore, guts that once supported a microbiome of its own, blubber that we burn for lamps, the fatty stuff. Is it pain or grief, love, greed? Sustained by, you would not believe it, the smallest things in the ocean. Krill. Smaller than a fingertip, smaller than the whale's eyes as it spies, its jaw split open in a colossal, magnificent gulp, splitting, grinding down its body from scale to wiggling leg, from organ to tissue, tissue to cell, cell to organelle that floats in a soup of jelly and membrane, made up of molecules of push and shove, of waves against a rocky shore, of eat and be eaten, swarm and swallow, of chemical action and reaction, all flushed down a gargantuan throat. Mother of voices, can you hear the singing, all of it, down to the atoms whose neutrons and protons move like Earth around the sun, sun around the center of the Milky Way around something else, somewhere else, someplace you would not believe. Split the atom just one more half. A city raised, body, then ash.